Now is not the time to travel. Stay home, stay safe, and break the chain. Let's hope things will get back to normal soon. Chikmagalur travel vlog continues here. This is Naveen. Welcome back to another episode of Teen Time Travel. 18th April, Sunday morning. Day 2 of our Chikmagalur trip. We got ready. Now we are going for breakfast. Sir, buns ಇದೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ಒಂದು ಬನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಸಾಲೆ ದೋಸೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ದೋಸೆ 2 ಕಾಫಿ ಮಸಾಲೆ ವಡೆ ಇದೆ ಮಸಾಲೆ ವಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಾಕು We done with breakfast from a nearby restaurant, Soundarya. Time is around 10:30. We are going to check out from this hotel. We packed up. We first making our way to Hirekole Lake. It is 9 kilometers from here. Will take 10 to 15 minutes to reach there. So, let's start. We reached Hirekole Lake. Surrounded by the beauty of mountains in the Western Ghats, Hirekole Lake is one of the most wonderful places to visit in Chikmagalur. This is a beautiful man-made lake, built as a source to supply water for drinking and irrigation purposes to the town of Chikmagalur. Hirekole Lake offers the most mesmerizing views of the landscape. It is a delight for photography lovers who are looking to add a perfect shot to their travel albums. One can also appreciate the exceptional views of Mullayanagiri Hills from this lake. very beautiful lake, less crowded. We don't have boating facilities here, but it's extremely beautiful place. Now we are done with Hirekole Lake. Now we are heading to our next destination. It's very beautiful place, very near to Chikmagalur town. Naturally.
Help! You're full. Yes, I am.
So this is the cafe. After spending half an hour here, we continued our journey to our next destination. A short coffee break. We reached Siri Nature Roost. This is a resort near to Chikmagalur town. We stopped here to pick up some coffee.
ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಕಟ್ ಪೀಸಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಲೆಂತಿ ಪೀಸಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಬೋ ಒಂದು 35 ಇಂದ 40 ಪೀಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಜಿಪ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಸಹ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಇದು ಲೋಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಶೃಂಗೇರಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು.
ಓ, ಶೃಂಗೇರಿಯಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಿನ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್.
ಓಕೆ. ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ರೈಟ್?
90 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅದು?
ಬೇರೆ ಏನೇನಿದೆ? 60 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಪೈಸಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ಲೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಟೊ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪೈಸಿನೇ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಪೈಸಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ತಿನ್ನಲು ಅಂದರೆ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಸ್ಪೈಸಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಮೋರ್. ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ
ಇದು ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಇದು? ಡ್ರೈ?
ನೀವೇನು ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಈಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಹೌ ದೇ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್?
ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಯೂಮ್ ಫ್ರೈಡ್.
Vacuum fried?
Vacuum fried.
Vacuum fried?
Vacuum fried.
So without oil?
Without oil, yes sir, yes.
So this we bought. Dry fruit prepared by vacuum frying, right?
Vacuum fried.
Vacuum frying. So very tasty.
No added color, sugar.
Okay. This is a natural product. No added color, sugar. This is absolutely natural one.
Fresh and ready to eat.
Yeah. So we are buying two. One is Chikku. The other one is lady's finger.
We tried both, right?
We tried both.
Nanda liked
Really good.
lady's finger,
Yeah.
and we
Okay.
like chiku, right?
You see what its ring is made of?
What is that?
God, mostly everything is made out of this. Actually, who is Siri? Covered with grass. And in the end, you can see its food. So even who is Siri? Who is Siri?
Don't know. We'll ask someone. Or we'll check Google.
Okay.
ಸಿರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂಪತ್ತು, ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಸಿರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯ ಸಿರಿ. ಇದು ಶ್ರೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತದಲ್ಲಿ, ಸಿರಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ.
Okay.
ಸಿರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂಪತ್ತು, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯ ಸಂಪತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ
Very good. Yeah.
ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯ ಸಿರಿ,
Yeah.
ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಂಗ್ಳೂರಿಂದ.
Yeah. Thank you for explaining, ma'am. Thanks.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Sir, ಇದು ಜಯಂತಿ
ಜಯಂತಿ ಕಾಫಿ.
ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ನಾವು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಂಗ್ಳೂರಿಂದ ಪೌಡರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ವೆನ್ ಅವರ್ ವಿ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್? ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. A short coffee break. We are in Siri Cafe. This is near to Chikmagalur town. Since we are in the land of coffee, we thought of having special coffee from Siri. We ordered filter coffee and cold coffee. It has come. This is cold coffee. This is filter coffee.
Thank you.
Okay, let me try.
How is it?
Super.
Superb.
Yeah.
So, Nanda, you can try your.
How is it? Chocolatey and of course tasty. I never knew that coffee would be so tasty, especially when it's cold.
After having a nice coffee, we are heading to Ayanakari, a lake located in Sakraipatna village, around 24 kilometers from Chikmagalur town. This is the end of this episode. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.